In today's video, I'm going to teach you the truth about password protecting folders in Google Drive and the correct way Google Drive secures folders. Open any modern web browser and head to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Google account so you can see your Drive. Here's the key point to understand up front. Google Drive does not support password-protected folders. There isn't a built-in way to set a separate password on a folder. Instead, Drive uses sharing permissions and link settings to control access. Once you know that, securing a folder becomes straightforward. Find the folder you want to protect, right-click it, and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where all access is managed. In this window, focus on the section labeled General Access. If you don't see General Access immediately, look near the bottom of the dialog, beneath the list of people who already have access. Change it to Restricted. Restricted means only people you explicitly allow will be able to open the folder. Anyone else, even if they somehow get the link, won't be able to view its contents. After selecting Restricted, click Done to save your setting. That's it. Your folder is now secured the way Google Drive intends, without relying on an extra password that Drive doesn't support. This works the same on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS when you're using the web interface. Repeat these steps for any other folders you want to lock down. From now on, only people you manually share the folder with can access it. If you decide to collaborate later, add trusted individuals from the same share window and choose the appropriate role, viewer, commenter, or editor, so they get only the access they need. If you ever change your mind, return to the same place to remove them. A couple of quick tips to avoid mistakes. Always double-check that General Access still says Restricted before you close the share window, especially if you've shared a link previously. Avoid switching it to Anyone with the link unless you truly intend for broader access, because that setting allows anyone who receives the link to open the folder. Also remember that items inside a folder generally inherit the folder's sharing settings, unless you manually override them on a specific file. That's the real story behind password protecting folders in Google Drive. You don't use a password at all. You use permissions. With the folder set to Restricted and access granted only to the people you choose, your content stays controlled and private. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.